Okay, so I just got the AC from I almost got a broken piece already out of it. I got an AC from Amazon. It's gonna be the MIDEA one, and it has 10,000 BTU, and it's 550 square footage. He said it's quiet and does not make a lot of noise, and it covers a lot of area in the room because it's 550 square footage. I got it from Amazon again. I'm not sure if it does work or not, so I'll set it up and set it up together and see how it works. So I'm gonna take you guys where I'm gonna set it up at. It's gonna be in the bedroom. This is where it's gonna be set up at. For this window right here. This is how it looks like out of the box. Controls on the top. The hose looks pretty good too. And then it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. But my window, it's the one that slides sideways. It's a sliding window, so we're gonna be setting that different. So first thing I did, I connected the 2 pieces, the main piece that comes with the hole, and then the one that is the longest piece that comes with it. Connected with the little white pins they give you with it. And now I'm gonna be adding the one that makes it so it can go vertical, because if it's like this, that's if you have the window that slides from the top to down. Mine, since it slides from side to side, I have to put it like that. So, and the hose, it won't be able to fit on there. So that's why that comes in play to make it able to fit. So right now I'm gonna put this together, connect it, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. Hold this for me. Clips in. So it clips in. It's pretty easy. Same thing on the other side. And first I'm gonna lock in this side right here. I'm locking here. Clip there. Clip there. Not a full seal, but make it more tighter. There we go. Now it's a full seal. So now it's in a position where I can be able to connect the head into the machine. Alright, I'm gonna put it on pause. I'm gonna see the next rules and I'll let you guys know. They all come with instructions like that, so you just have to follow each step if you're gonna use that. Okay, so now I got the second pins in here, so I was able to slide it up, put the second pins in there, so now it's in place. So I can see it, be able to hook in it easily. And the window right there, so it's gonna be able to hook in there easily. Which is what we wanted. If I need to slide it a little bit, I can slide it because we got a big window. And then the next thing, I want to put some mounts so the window stays in place. You don't really need to put the mounts, which they do come with it. These are the mounts right here to hold the window steady. And then the window will be the one that holds. If you don't go too long, you can just do it like that and you're good to go. But I'm gonna try to do everything the right way so we maximize the cooling like we want it. So you can see it's gonna be a small gap here, but they got tape so you can be able to tape all those stuff so there's no gaps, so you can get maximum cooling. All right, I'm gonna do the next steps and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so I finished putting that thing up there and I realized I had to take it off because apparently there's a piece that's supposed to go in the middle. So this is the piece right here. It's supposed to go in the middle to divide the air. This is how it looks like on the paperwork. So I had it set up like that, but I didn't put the little piece in the middle to divide the air. So apparently here is where the air goes. It divides from, here pulls the air out from the room and here pulls the air in. So I took it off. I'm putting it back together again, and I'll put it in here. Basically, it's gonna look like this when I'm done. So I'm gonna show you guys in a minute how it looks like. Let me take a pause on this one. Okay, so now what I did, I just noticed that again, I'm not really reading the instructions, just doing my way to make sure it's fast and easy. This is what comes with it, and it has the tape and the foam. So I use the foam around the window as you can see in there, so it can seal up the hole. So it has a hole like this on the other side. I put it in there, and then I use the tape, which is the middle one, the tape that comes with it. I wrap it around the edges of the little wood, the little piece that they gave us, and then also wrapped it around. The tape is so soft, you can do whatever you want with it. I wrapped it around here too, so I can seal all the holes that was happening in the video before when I put that on there. So now when I push it back, and I push the window back, push this off. It'll be a complete seal, as you can see. With a small hole here and there. This other side is fully sealed, like that. So you can see how it looks already. And I haven't even got to put the little metal thing. This metal thing, you put it in here and then bolt it down so it pushes the window all the way. The window doesn't slide back. So now I'm gonna put this on here and I'm gonna show you guys what happens. Let me try to put it in there. So this is it right here with the little air splitting machine. Don't forget, you gotta make sure you look here to make sure you're not doing the wrong way, because they got different sides. So with mine, it's gonna be like this. Is the circles on this side. It's gonna go in like this. Remember, don't forget to cut, after you put the tape, don't forget to cut the little holes where the clips go in. Mine will be going like this. So stuff from the bottom. Push the spray those with clips. Split, push it and split. So click in, push, split, hold. And I'm gonna push the window back. So you can see this how it looks now. Now I'm gonna connect this to make sure everything is lined up perfectly. As soon as I finish doing that, I'm gonna put a little piece of metal to hold it down. I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay. Again, this can be a test to make sure. Remember, don't forget to put the little format in the back. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put it just there for safety. Probably for cooling or some shit. I don't know. All I know is I'm gonna put it in. Came in the box for a reason, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that tape again, I'm gonna line it up right here so I can seal it up. This is the tape I was telling you guys about. It comes with it. And you got the tape, just use it, you know what I mean? So this is the tape. Just gonna go in here just to seal. There's small gaps, just make sure there's no leakage as much. I think the tape, you can just twist it however you want it, so I'm gonna go around it. Get a complete seal. I'm gonna put on the other side too. So I got two of them. This is the second one. I'm going to put it around on the other side to hold the other corner up. So it looks like. It's just like a 3M tape, if you know what I mean by the word 3M tape. So on the top, seal the holes. Okay, I'm gonna insert this. We do have a small hole here, but I can still close it up with the tape that remains. It's the same thing, it clips in, it got clips, you can see, like the other one how we did. Just gonna clip it in there.